Let's drag the image of shoe. Transform it accordingly. Create a new layer and make the rectangle. Choose its color orange. Show transform control by pressing Ctrl+T. Make the duplicate of layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Drag that layer at the top. Type text with Text tool. Choose its font Bronix. Show transform controls by pressing Ctrl+T. Make it large and adjust it parallel to tilted rectangles in background. Fill its color by pressing Alt+Backspace. Select the shoe layer and press Ctrl+T, then rotate accordingly. Make a duplicate by pressing Ctrl+J. Flip it horizontal and make this small. Now let's drag the another grunge background image and put it above text and rectangle layers. Adjust its size and change its blending mode to color dodge. Make groups by selecting all layers and pressing Ctrl+G. Right-click with mouse on shoe layer and choose blending options. Click on Outer Glow tab and adjust the values accordingly. Now press Alt and drag the FX to other shoe layer as well. This will apply the same effect on small shoe layer. Drag another layer. Adjust its size and change its blending mode to multiply. Make duplicate of text layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Drag it above the rectangle and give it color white. And decrease the opacity. Make its another duplicate and drag that above the top rectangle. It will make duplicate of that layer and adjust at top left corner and Give it Gaussian blur effect. Press Ctrl+C to crop it. Now press Shift+Ctrl+Alt+E to merge all the layers together. Then choose Camera Raw Filter and adjust the values accordingly. And that's it for it today. Thanks for watching.